using ready-made assets is far from a sign of being less professional. In fact, it is one of the most important and encouraged strategies in coding. So, using ready-made assets is not any less than being a being a coding professional. So, it is not being less than a professional. In fact, it is one of the most important and encouraged strategies in coding. So, it is it is one of the encouraged strategy in coding. One of the key mantras any good programmer follows is don't reinvent the wheel. So this is very important mantra, or we can say formula or saying that don't reinvent the wheel means don't reinvent the things that are already invented. In other words, don't spend large amount of time working like something working on something like physics engine, AI, or even 3D models when that work is already exist and is available to use. So this work is already available to use, like engine physics and AI and 3D models. So these are already available. So don't work on them again. Doing so simply isn't a good use of time. With games becoming increasingly more complex and ambitious, sharing assets and codes. That means doing so is a good use of time. That means it saves time, but also it is becoming increasing. So game development is becoming more complex. So so this is a good use of time to use the previously available assets and codes. So it is not only wise, it is necessary for professional developers. So it is necessary also for professional developers. No, this is amateurs should follow suit. So amateur should follow this suit means amateur should use such game engines. When Unity is such a proven quantity, when you know that it's a capable of producing massive hit title, why would you make life more difficult for yourself by ignoring it? That means if it is using being used for producing a massive hit titles, that means very famous games. So why you are uh, making your life difficult? That means why you are increasing your difficulties by not using Unity or ignoring Unity. So it makes no sense to ignore Unity. We should use Unity. Now, sharing assets. The ethos of sharing is an important part of modern development, and it only takes a Google search to realize this. Unity removes need for much of the complex coding that you otherwise have to handle yourself. And if you want to make a very basic 2D platformer, then you will hardly have to write any code at all. So if we Google search about how to make a game, so we will come to know that it is very difficult to make a game. It takes complex coding for making a game. So Unity is avoiding all that. When you do have to write code, you will normally find someone willing to help you out if you ask the question in forum or elsewhere. So when you ask some question about coding, so you will find someone to answer your question. So there is a forum of code in which you will write code, or you can ask for help. So there is a large pool of developers.